Welcome back to my channel where we're exploring budget-friendly hair care. Today we're diving into a simple yet effective DIY natural hair growth treatment that harnesses the power of just two ingredients, rosemary oil and Jamaican black castor oil. These oils are not only affordable but also packed with nutrients that your hair will love, making them essential in your hair care arsenal. First, let's start with the incredible benefits of Ktintar rosemary oil. This 100% pure organic oil is known for its ability to revitalize hair and promote growth. It awakens the scalp, nourishing it deeply and creating an optimal environment for healthy hair regeneration. The revitalizing properties of rosemary oil extend beyond the scalp to your lashes and brows, offering a holistic approach to enhancing your natural beauty. But that's not all. Rosemary oil also boosts scalp and hair health. By improving blood circulation, it invigorates your scalp, ensuring that the nutrients your hair needs are being delivered effectively. With regular use, you'll notice your locks gaining strength and vitality. This essential oil helps to fortify each strand, resulting in a noticeable shine and reduced breakage, making your hair more resilient and easier to manage. Now let's talk about our second star ingredient, Ktintar Jamaican black castor oil. This oil, made from 100% pure organic extra virgin cold-pressed beans, is a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and omega-6 fatty acids. It deeply moisturizes the scalp, prevents dryness, reduces dandruff, and effectively strengthens your hair follicles, promoting overall hair health. To make this nourishing blend, simply follow these steps. Begin by gently warming half a cup of castor oil until lukewarm, either in a double boiler or microwave. Then add 5 drops of rosemary oil to the warm castor oil and mix well. Allow this mixture to cool to room temperature before transferring it into an airtight bottle for storage. For application, take a small amount of the oil and massage it gently into your scalp. You can leave it on for a few hours or overnight for a more intensive treatment. When you're ready, simply wash your hair with your usual shampoo and conditioner. Incorporating this DIY hair treatment into your routine will not only elevate your hair game but also encourage growth, strength, and shine. Embrace the natural benefits of these oils and watch your beautiful hair thrive. Rosemary Essential Oil is celebrated for its remarkable benefits, but due to its potency, proper usage is key for safety and effectiveness. The most crucial tip is to always dilute rosemary oil with a carrier oil, such as castor oil, which forms a protective barrier and ensures a gentle application. This step keeps your scalp safe while allowing you to enjoy the aromatic and therapeutic properties of rosemary without irritation. Conducting a patch test is another advisable practice. Before applying the diluted oil to your entire scalp, select a small area of skin. Apply a minute amount of the formula and wait for 24 hours to check for any allergic reactions. This simple precautionary measure can save you from adverse effects and help you enjoy the benefits of rosemary oil with confidence. Storage conditions play a vital role in maintaining the oil's effectiveness. To prevent degradation, store your diluted rosemary oil in a cool, dark place, prohibiting exposure to heat and light. The preservation of its potency ensures you receive the full advantage of its properties during each application. When it comes to frequency, consider applying the diluted oil 2 to 3 times a week or as required, offering your scalp nourishment and promoting healthy hair growth without overwhelming it. Alternatively, if you have other carrier oils on hand, such as jojoba, coconut, or argan oil, feel free to mix them with rosemary for varied benefits and scents. With these considerations, enjoy the journey to healthier hair. The link for the Ktintar rosemary oil and the Ktintar black castor is in the description boxes of this video. For more hair care tips and tricks, please subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.